Hi friends, welcome to my figure practicing videos. In this series, we practice placing suggestive figures into various backgrounds or contexts to make it more interesting and storytelling. Let's get into the video. Right, let us try to think of and sketch some figures, and here I am thinking of maybe two figures, and they are facing us. Okay, they are facing us, and maybe one male and another female figure. So I am just they are just walking together, maybe in a slight romantic mood. Actually I'm thinking what exactly I should be adding. So here I'm just working on a very vague idea. Here I'm just suggesting that probably they are just walking. Okay, so since I'm just trying to think and sketch at the same time, I don't have very clear idea, and I'm developing it on the go. So this is a rough sketch. I have used a gel pen, black waterproof black gel pen, and I'm drawing on a watercolor paper, Indian handmade watercolor paper. And once the drawing is done, I'm applying some color, maybe just sort of filling the colors like a coloring book. But I'm adding some color variation because I just did it. I don't want it to be just like a coloring book feel, right? So I'm adding slightly darker color here and there, and the idea of showing darker color, adding darker colors, is also to get some sort of a volume into the images. So some darker blues. For the lighter blue, I have used cobalt turquoise, and for the darker blue, probably I have used ultramarine blue and maybe a touch of red or violet. The precise color doesn't really matter. And for the legs, I'm using neutral tint and a little bit of burnt sienna. See, I'm not really clearly defining their precise leg movements, but the outer legs I'm little bit defining more clearly, because I wanted to give the suggestion that they are walking. And yeah, I think this is reasonably fair enough for the suggestion. I'm sprinkling some color, splashing some color, just to get some additional interest. Okay, so making the hairs, the top of the head, etc., and that I wanted some sort of an expression, a body language happening there. So maybe the male figure is looking at the female figure, and probably they are talking. They are in their own personal field, right? I think we are pretty much done now. Okay, so no too much of details I'll be doing. Actually, this is the kind of suggestive figure I am practicing. I am not practicing precise figures. Precise figures, you need to do better drawing, and you have to be more careful. But I think this is fairly a good suggestion, and yeah, some shadows will hook the figures into the ground. I think we are good enough, and we'll treat that this is done. If you think these kind of videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release new video. And if you have any comments or suggestion, please put them into the comment box below. Right, so a little bit more sprinkling of colors, maybe some additional textures. I think that's it. We are done. We have achieved what we wanted, and Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep painting, and keep improving. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.